Hello YouTuber, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about 7 best email marketing services for small businesses 2022. Is email marketing a priority for your business in 2022? Are you looking for the best email marketing software? Choosing the right email marketing services can have a significant impact on the success of your target campaign. In this video, we will review and compare the 7 best email marketing services for small businesses. Now, convince an email marketing. 6 reasons why building an email list is so important today. It's important to understand that a lot of your success with email marketing depends entirely on the mail marketing software you choose because they are responsible for making sure that your email actually got delivered. A good email marketing service should enable you to create highly engaging email newsletter with an easy user interface. Having said that, let's take a look at some of the most popular email marketing service providers and how they stack up against each other. Number 1. Constant Contact. Constant Contact is one of the largest and fastest growing email marketing services in the world. You can easily manage your email list, contacts, email templates, marketing calendars, and more. Their email plus accounts also come with powerful features like email automation, drip campaigns, surveys and polls, coupons, online donations, and subject line A/B testing, which help you send the targeted email to examine your open rate. Constant Rate has a 60-day free trial. After that, their pricing starts as low as $9.99 per month. The second one is Sendinblue. Sendinblue is a complete SMS and email marketing software for business. It is an extremely easy to use platform with excellent tool to create beautiful and highly engaging email. Sendinblue includes beginner-friendly marketing automation tools that allow you to send transaction email, create workflows for automation, automatic flow follow-up emails, and segment user. Sendinblue also offers a separate SMT bulk email marketing service which you can use to power automated hard technical email from your WordPress site. The third one is HubSpot. It's one of the most well-known software in the CRM and email marketing space. You can use their easy drag and drop email builder and a selection of templates to create a completely custom newsletter that match your brand's personality and colors. HubSpot comes with all the powerful features you would expect from an enterprise level email marketing software, such as send time optimization, high email deliverability. One of the main reasons why small, medium, and enterprise customers choose HubSpot is because they offer an all-in-one marketing platform. If you need more advanced capability, then their paid plans start at $45 per month. OmniSend. OmniSend is a powerful SMS and email marketing service for e-commerce businesses who are looking for an omni-channel marketing automation solution. Most other free email marketing plans are restricted, but OmniSend is confident in their value proposition, so they offer most everything in their free plan. The best thing that we like about OmniSend is their pre-built e-commerce marketing. What a lot of users about OmniSend is that they offer SMS built-in, so you do not have to pay for separate software. OmniSend is a free email marketing plan allow you to contact up to 250 subscribers. The fifth one is Drip. Drip is a powerful enterprise email marketing platform for e-commerce, bloggers, and digital marketing. Their email software offers seamless integration for all popular website builders including WordPress and WooCommerce. Support options at Dip include live chat support, webinars, automation, training, detailed courses, free guides, and excellent documentation. Dip offers a free trial and their plans start from $49 per month, which include all their features. The sixth one is Mosent. Mosent is an affordable email marketing services for small business. It comes with a suite of powerful marketing automation features. The nice part about Mosent is that they offer marketing automation feature to all plans including the free plan. Mosent offers a forever free plan for up to 1000 email subscribers and unlimited number of emails. The seventh one is Aweber. Aweber is one of the oldest and most popular email marketing service provider in the world. They offer a wide range of tools for small and medium-sized business to manage their email marketing. However, also other powerful email marketing features such as AMP email, automatic RS to email for bloggers, and tag support subscriber. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye.